Hey, bud. I just want to apologize for beeping at you a couple of weeks ago. Some people didn't like it, but we're friends, right? You like me, right? We're cool. Yeah, we're cool.
Мне стыдно. Вообще нормально все у вас.
Вам, 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 ва, 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 вам. Ня-ня-ня-ня-ня-ня. Ня-ня-ня-ня-ня. Ня-ня-ня-ня-ня-ня-ня. Ня-ня-ня-ня-ня.
Hi there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what a friendly cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. Oh. Oh. You're right. Oh. Oh my god.
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your string.
Burley, press once if you know what a shark is.
No! Oh! That's not for you. Hey! What are you doing? You kidding me? This is my sandwich. You kidding me, man? Vivian, my sandwich. No! Oh! Hey! My sandwich. No. No. Hey! Oh!
Is everything gonna be okay? Okay? Okay.
It's like getting shot.
Hi! Hi! You get him? Yeah. Ah!
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
All right, well, I'll fight.
Henry. Are you kidding? Henry, no!
Yummy. Smells good, right?
Alright, remove her.
You like the smell? It's chili.
Alright, put her back down.
Okay, I'll let you smell it. Okay, come on.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
Oh.
So I'm taking care of this cat. Yeah, that's a really good point. And so they have an automated cat feeder, and it like drops like on a schedule, and the cat knows the schedule, but she got here early. And she's so mad that it's not dropping. I know, it's gonna drop soon. I don't know how to speed it up, but it'll happen. Oh God.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Good boy. Sit. Stay.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
Penny, come here. Come here, Penny. Penny, come here. Come here, Penny. Penny, where are you? Oh, hi.
I can make my dad put that book away. Oh, yes, I can. Watch this. I love you, Dad. Boop, 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 boop. I love you.
Don't do it again, you're just doing it.
Who's ready to go to Petco? Just kidding, we had to come to the vet.
Where did all my poops go? They were right here. All of my poops, they were right here. And now I'm here and they're all gone. Have you seen that?
So I called for bath time, and then this guy just coincidentally fell asleep. I know he's faking it because his tail is moving. So I'm going to wake him up. Wake up. I know you're faking it. Wake up. It's time for bath. Let's go. Chase, you're not going to hit me. Let's go. Come on. No. Let's go. Come on.
Maggie, why are you laying like that? You look so sexy. Sexy. 와, 이 집 마사지 너무 잘해주네. 네, 전문 마사지사예요? 아이고 시원해.
Dogs are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. They must be God. Cats are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. I must be God.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy. Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Mama didn't share her grilled cheese with me, so I'm just gonna lay like this in silent protest until I get the cheese and butter sandwich that is rightfully mine. Thank you for your support during this trying time.
¿Son? ¿Estás vivo? Sí, está vivo. Lo siento.